So let's imagine a fast-growing retailer, working with 2-3PLs, one for D2C orders and the other one for wholesale EDI orders. They're selling internationally, fulfilling Amazon and Zalando orders. They want to be able to bundle products, manage pre-assembled kits, under a complex RMA return workflow. Out of the box, Cin7 standard 3PL integration can't really cover all that complexity. But with our integration, everything flows together. The merchant has one source of truth for inventory, automated routing rules, compliance with ASN and marketplace standards, and also full support for value-add services by the 3PL. It means that they can scale, without hitting painful operational bottlenecks.